Sweet. Pull tab. Like, how do they expect, like, someone to actually get underneath here and pull these things? That's my question. Cool. I guess they don't. Because that just broke. Cannot get a hold of this thing. Be pulled out like this? It can. It's just very poorly designed. That's all. The screen has been replaced before. Okay. That might explain some of it.
Something about replacing my son's keyboard if you want to know. If they take it apart and bring it in, you can order it and they'll take it back home and they'll put it back.
No, I don't do that. No, I will not do that. Like, I'm not going to order a part for somebody and then not install it. So, do you want to call them back?
No, she said she's going to call you back.
Okay. Yeah, why would I do that? Because if they break it installing it, then they come back to get their money back from me, I would be like, nope.
realize that.
No. It's like if you go to like a car dealer and have them install a buy a part from them and then install it yourself and you break it, you can't go back to them and say, "Hey, this is broken now. Can I have my money back?" That reminds you.
I have stuff downstairs that I need you to help me with. But this, I think.
You shouldn't eat all the food that you want, Mom. That's
Beans and potatoes.
okay. Lined up correctly. Progressive? You have progressive. Yeah, because you try to do the like that plug-in thing. Snapshot thing. Oh man. Why are you not laying flat? Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ever have a question or concern about your computer, and you just want to see if you can get an answer, swing by my Twitch channel. I'm usually there live. I can either myself or one of my community members will be able to answer your question. So stop by, hang out, and maybe learn a thing or two.